As a hunter, we've all been there. You did everything right. You played the wind, you showered, you washed your clothes, you sprayed down your boots, your pack, your stand, and still, the deer stopped, lifted his nose, and vanished. That's not bad luck. That's biology. A whitetail's nose isn't just good, it's elite. A deer has up to 300 million scent receptors. Humans, around 5 million. They don't just smell you, they smell where you walked, where you touched, where your clothes absorbed odor hours ago. To put it another way, if you're baking a cake, you may smell cake. Deer smell every single ingredient individually. They smell salt, flour, sugar, oil, cocoa, nuts, everything. They smell it all and everything in layers. And here's the truth that most hunters don't want to hear. You cannot cover human scent. Earth scent, pine scent, smoke, these don't eliminate odor, they just add more layers. To beat a deer's nose, odor doesn't need to be masked, it needs to be destroyed. And this is where ozone comes in. Ozone is not a cover scent, not a gimmick, but a highly effective, safe, and fast solution to a biological problem. As we mentioned in the previous lesson, ozone is a highly reactive form of oxygen, O3. And that extra oxygen atom is unstable, which means it's always looking for something to react with. And when it finds human odor molecules, be that bacteria, skin oil, sweat compounds, it finds them and it oxidizes them. Ozone doesn't hide scent, it breaks it apart at the molecular level. And once oxidized, those odor molecules are no longer recognizable, even to a deer. And because ozone is a naturally occurring element in the environment, it's not something that will spook or alarm deer. Remember, every time lightning strikes, billions of O3 molecules are created. Now, historical scent control relies on odor reduction or attempts to cover odor. Ozone works through elimination. It attacks odor-causing bacteria. It neutralizes human scent compounds. It works on clothing, in vehicles, gear bags, anywhere odor is present. And as long as ozone is present, it continues to work. But as we have learned in the last module, it has one drawback. It can't be stored, it can't be bottled or boxed or saved for another day. But this weakness is also what makes it so incredibly effective for hunters. And this is what has been defined as active scent control. Scent control can be broken into two categories: passive scent control and active scent control. Passive scent control uses methods and products that only work at a given moment in time. Sprays, body wash, shampoos, scent-free storage bags. These products and methods can theoretically eliminate existing odors, but typically their effectiveness degrades quickly, and they can only work on existing odors. Any new odors that are introduced or created cannot be treated with these passive methods. It only works at a moment in time, and only at that moment. Active scent control, on the other hand, is defined as continual and constant odor and scent control, and is only achieved with the use of ozone. Your body is continually creating odor. Sweating, breathing, living causes odor to be released into the air around you, and the winds will take that odor wherever it will blow. By introducing ozone into the air, you are actively and continually altering and destroying odor molecules. Keep producing ozone, keep destroying odor. Let's take a look at the efficacy and differences between passive and active scent control methods. As you can see, ozone is the only active scent control product, and Ozonics is the only company that can offer you active scent control to effectively beat the best nose in the woods. Again, as we stated, ozone doesn't hide scent, it breaks it apart at the molecular level, and continues to do so as long as ozone is being produced. Once oxidized, those odor molecules are no longer recognizable, even to a deer. Think of it in this way. If your odor were a word, and to a deer that word is human, ozone doesn't cover the word, it changes it. It can reduce it, such that deer faintly see human and sense it is not an immediate threat. What may be 30 yards away, they perceive to be 300 yards away. Or it can alter it, such that deer no longer see the H and the M. They only say uma, and they don't sense danger. Or, given enough time and concentration, it can completely eliminate it. In any of these three cases, deer no longer sense danger. They may be curious, but they won't turn inside out and leave the county. In most cases, they go right back to what they were doing or continue to try to learn more about this curious scent. Now, the key to using ozone effectively is to introduce it into the downwind airstream, where it can destroy or alter your odor's molecular code such that deer no longer recognize you as a threat. As a hunter, we are not concerned with killing the odor on you. Rather, we are only concerned with the odor molecules that leave your body and travel through the air to the 300 million olfactory sensors of the deer. It is important to note that Ozonics does not carry scent to the bottom of your stand or your blind. It does not cover your scent or surround it, but rather it alters the molecular structure of odor molecules, making them unidentifiable to the whitetail's nose. Ozonics is the only technology that cleanses this air with ozone, effectively eliminating, reducing, or altering the human scent molecules between you and the animal. Cleansing the air, destroying or altering human odor molecules such that they are not recognizable to deer, and doing so in a constant and active manner is what makes ozone technology such a powerful tool for hunters. Let's see quickly what you've learned.